2016 Panamera. As you can see, Porsche didn't experiment with the car's design. They stuck with the Porsche philosophy that form should follow function. Nothing else would have made sense. Nothing else would have produced a four-seater Porsche. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, navigation system, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, power lift gate, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, backup camera. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.